Hello kid. Well, have you seen this movie before? This is of a sweet little clownfish named Nemo. How he lost his way and he landed up in a dangerous situation. So, the movie is Finding Nemo. So, let me tell you the story of Finding Nemo in short. Well, Nemo is a small little fish. He used to live under the sea and he was very adventurous. He loved to explore the water, going here and there all over. Well, since he was a kid just like you, his father told him not to go out of his home alone. But Nemo did not listen. Then what happened was he got lost. He was taken away from his father, and then his father had to take a very dangerous trip to get Nemo back to his home. Well, while his father was trying to rescue him, there were so many big fishes. See, the blue whale over here and all the dangerous looking fishes, they are all about to eat up Nemo and his father. They are so scared over here. But somehow they managed to escape. Not only the big fishes, even Nemo and his father were about to fall in the dark holes. And finally escaping them, they were very tired. They were swimming and swimming, moving here and there just to find their way back to their home. They could not even take any rest in between. Finally, after all of these dangerous things, they reached their home. See, this is Nemo's home. Home, sweet home. After Nemo came back to his home, he realized the importance of his home, his shelter. Because when he went out, he was in a dangerous situation. So now he understood he needs to be in his home to be safe and secured. Well, have you got lost like this anytime? Has it happened that you have lost your way and you did not find your parents? Well, that was a very scary situation, isn't it? Well, if you think of going out on a stroll alone, or just like Nemo, as he was bored, he went out to explore. So if you also do the same, you may also land up in situations like Nemo did. So never ever do this. Now think of a situation when you are out of your home and it's raining very badly. You are all wet over here. What is the thing that comes to your mind? Well, you think of a place which can give you shade, a shelter, and your best shelter is your home, sweet home. Similarly, have you seen during the sunny afternoon or a rainy afternoon, even the animals like dogs, cats, they come to your house for shade so that they can protect themselves underneath the shelter from these kind of weather conditions. So, how does our shelter help us? Our shelter protects us from the sun, the wind, and hail and rain. So, the shelter is the best place to stay. So, I have a question for you. Shelter protects animals from, is it option 1 sun, or 2 wind, or 3 hail, or 4 all of these? So let me tell you, the correct answer of this question will be all of these, because shelter protects us from sun, wind and hail. So the correct answer is all of these. Now, just like we are scared of being alone outside, similarly, animals are also scared of bigger animals or weather conditions which can harm them. Over here we see a sweet little puppy. Don't you think he also requires a shelter just like you? Otherwise, he will get badly harmed by the sun, the hail, and the wind and the storm. So, animals also require shelter. See, over here we see the domestic animals. Just like the dog lives in a kennel, the cows in shed, the horses in stable, and the hen in the chicken house. So, over here we see all of these animals have their shelter as well. But not only domestic or pet animals, even wild animals like the lion, the tiger, they also require shelter. Although they stay in the forest, they find their shelter over there only. See, over here we see the lion which lives in a den, the monkeys who live on the tree, the snake which lives in the hole, and the rabbit which live in burrow. So, just like domestic animals, all of these wild animals as well have their own shelter in the forest. So, what have we understood by the story? Well, just like we all have our shelter, that is our home, similarly, all these animals also have their own shelter. Like the horses have stable, chicken or hen have chicken house, snake has hole, dog the kennel, the cows in shed, bear in a cave, and lion in a den. So, here we see that shelter is important for all the living beings, we human beings as well as the animals. So, animals also have their own shelter to protect them and keep them safe and secure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.